Attack cancel back airs are a Smash Ultimate specific tech that can allow you to do some combos that are not possible by doing a turnaround back air or a RAR back air. If you don't know what a RAR back air is, make sure to watch my video on that first. Now, to make it easier to perform, make sure to have your C-stick set to tilt attack, which I recommend you do anyways. You will also want to have a shoulder button set to jump, so use whichever one you don't use to shield. There are two types of attack cancel back airs. First is the standing one, which I find slightly easier to perform. When standing in a spot, do a forward tilt in the opposite direction you are facing. You can cancel the forward tilt with a jump as long as you do it within 2 frames. On the 3rd frame, you will be locked into doing the forward tilt. When you jump, you will also want to press the opposite direction on the analog stick at the same time. It doesn't matter which one is pressed first, as long as they are pressed after the forward tilt. If jump is pressed first, you have the duration of the jump squat, which is 3 frames to input the direction. So to sum it up, input a forward tilt in the opposite direction you're facing, and as quickly as you can, press jump and the way you are initially facing on the analog stick. If you notice you're performing a forward tilt, that means you're not pressing jump quickly enough. If you have trouble doing this at full speed, start at half speed and work your way up. Now you can also attack cancel back air from a dash, which is slightly different. This is useful for landing things like Roy's jab to back air combo. It makes your character travel slightly farther than the standing one. Now, a RAR back air can only be done when your character's in the run animation, so during the initial dash it is not possible to perform. However, this is where the attack cancel comes in handy. So to perform this, you dash in the direction you want to go, and then press the opposite direction on the C-stick within the initial dash frames. This is character dependent and varies between about 10 and 15 frames. However, within 2 frames of pressing the C-stick, you'll have to jump as well, which is why setting the left or right bumper to jump comes in handy. They can be pressed the same frame, however, if you jump even 1 frame too early, you will perform the back air in the wrong direction. So one more time, move the analog stick in the direction you want to dash, go the opposite way on the C-stick within about 10 frames, and then within 2 frames press jump. You also have to make sure to keep the analog stick in the direction you dash in, or else you'll just perform a neutral air. So if you're performing it facing right, you do analog stick right, C-stick left, jump, in that order. If you're doing it to the left, it is analog stick left, C-stick right, jump. Now these have to be performed in very quick succession to each other and is very difficult to get consistent. So I would recommend starting in quarter or half speed and move up once you get the timing down at each level, and then ultimately trying to add it into your gameplay. Certain characters like Roy and Chrom benefit more than others, but play around with your character and see if it opens up any new combos. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks so much for watching. Peace.